Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rasya Novajaran and today I want to tell you about my story. My name is Rasya and I am a first grader at SMA Pusat School of Talent in Bogor. I live on Jalan Baru in Bukit Cimanggu City. I am 15 years old and full of energy. People often describe my personality as quite strong and sometimes annoying. My friends see me this way because my attitude reflects what they say. I interact with my friends and teachers through conversation and face-to-face communication. After school, I love to doing exercise and basketball is one of my favorite hobbies. I can spend my time to playing basketball. My idol inspires me to play and I usually spend my time practicing at basketball court. I start playing basketball at home during my new ball. I really enjoy basketball because I love it and I obsessed with it. Playing on the court helps me focus and listen to my coach. My family supports my hobbies and shares my love for basketball. They encourage me to excel in my interests. I grew up in Bogor with my family and I feel confident to exploring my talent with their support. I am grateful for my family encouragement because it shows how much they love me. My daily activities is reading a book, helps mothers work at home, study and play some sport. That activities make me disciplined and not burdensome my mother. Besides that, I always playing with my friends and make some happy with them. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.